Hello, 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 everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I have an exciting flip through and introduction of a brand new coloring book that's coming out, and I would like to share that with you. Here's a picture of the coloring book. And it has not been released yet. It's going to be released on April 20th. So I'm going to be giving you a sneak peek of this coloring book. So if that's something that you're interested in, stay tuned. All right, so I am honored and very happy to work with the artist Michaela. She is an amazing artist that is releasing a brand new coloring book called Figment Coloring Book. And here's a picture of the coloring book. It will be released on April 20th. I do not have a physical copy of the book, but the artist was so amazingly wonderful to send me PDFs so that I can print it out and share with you a few of the images from the book. Well, not actually a few, almost all of the images from the book, so that you can decide whether this is something that you would be interested in getting once it is launched. Right now, it is in the Kickstarter stage. It's over on Kickstarter. There's a pre-launch, and you can be able to click a notification, which I will have in the description, how the website or the link where that you can go over to Kickstarter and click the notify me on launch button, or you can visit Michaela's website and sign up for the email newsletter. That will let you know exactly when the book will be launched also. But right here first, you will get to see a preview of this cute and quirky book, Figment. It's just, okay, let me stop rambling and just jump right on into this flip through because I am so excited to bring this to you. So I printed my images out on cardstock. I even printed a couple of them out on colored cardstock. You know, my favorite colored cardstock from Astro Brights. Astro Brights, yes, that's the name of the paper if I can get it out. Astro Brights Natural Collection. And the rest of them, I printed them out on Nina Bright White paper and my favorite, not the Georgia Pacific, but the Pen and Gear cardstock. So that's what I printed it out on, and here is the first page. Now let me tell you a little bit about this coloring book. It's called Figments, and it's like a quirky, cute fantasy figment of your imagination. You know how when you say, oh, that was just a figment of your imagination, that didn't even happen. Well, this book expresses that saying, or that, you know, way of thinking, or that you know, phrase. It expresses it perfectly because the things in this book are just absolutely, I would have never thought about it. And I actually really like quirky things, but this takes it to an absolute different level. So let's take a journey through this coloring book. So the first image we have here is Mr. Cat with an eye patch and an earring in his ear. And apparently he's stolen some jewels, and there's a jewelry box, and there's the big hand trying to get him to come back with their pearls. But he's laughing like, haha, you cannot catch me because I'm Mr. Cat that is good at taking jewels. And he even has a crown on his tail. But this is so funny. And look at the butterflies and the gems. It's just, oh my goodness. And the roses. So you can practice on coloring jewelry, animals, people's hands and skin. There's a portrait back there. And he is just too cute. That's all I have to say. So there's image number one. Our next image here is, how adorable is this? Okay, let's explain what's going on here. This is Mr. Bear. And apparently Mr. Bear has morphed into a bee also. And he has flown up here and probably taken honey that he has no business taking. But the rest of the little bees are around there flying. They're like, oh, is he a bear or is he a bee? Which one is he? I don't know, but he looks like the queen bee of this hive, so we're not gonna mess with him. And he looks like he just been eating all the honey and had his fill, right? Down here, you have two little bunny rabbits with little butterfly wings on their back. Okay, how cute is that? Just how cute? How cute? Let me give you a close-up of those bunnies that's in the background. You see how they're looking? Well, one of them, he's looking like, now they know that's not another bee. They know he's a bear, and he's not supposed to be into that honey. But you're not supposed to be a butterfly rabbit either, are you? But it's a figment of your imagination. Now we have a cute kitty cat that is apparently no, it's not underwater. Looks like he or she is in like an aquarium. And on the other side of the tank are the little squid aliens and the other little aliens that are in the water in their little submarine airplane boats. But let me show you the face. He has his tongue, this one right here, has his tongue licking out. He's licking his tongue out at the cat. Okay? Now, and him, he's just having so much fun. I want to go and have fun with them. They look like they're just enjoying under the sea life. So you can practice on water and all of those nice things. Next, we have more of the squid people with a... All right, this is really a figment of your imagination when you don't know what something is. But I'm going to, since it's a figment of my imagination, I am going to say he is a fox mixed with an eagle. Okay, because he has bird feather type of wings and he has a bird feather type tail plus a regular dog tail. So maybe he's a dog eagle, puppy eagle, eagle puppy. I don't know. But look here. There's a human hand right here with an arm, with some pearls and some hair. Then there's a mountain with water and the sky. And I can imagine coloring all this like rainbow colors here. And then there's some type of maybe scaly. You can make this either scale or rocks. But hey, it's your imagination. It's a figment of your imagination. So you can make these pictures into whatever your little heart desires. This is a cute one also. Here's a catfish. A fish that's also a cat. And all these little alien type little things here, they're all doing stuff they have no business doing. So they're just being super bad. And this one up here is just yelling out. Maybe he's singing, but he's tearing the roof off. He's blowing the roof off with his song. And that one there has went to sleep. He's not even paying attention. And that one there is stuck in a bubble. Say, oh my goodness, I didn't notice that one. Look at that. He don't have any pants on. Okay, let's move on. All right, so if you get this book for your kids, this is an adult coloring book. If you get it for your kids, make sure they're okay with images of aliens without pants. But I love it. I love it. This is too cute. Okay, April 20th, guys. Run and get it. All right, here's the next one. Oh, I just love Captain Puppy here. He has his sword on his side and he is ready to just tear some things up. There's the pirate ship behind him, but he's ready to protect whatever it is that he needs to protect. And a lot of these scenes are like under the sea and in the air at the same time. So here's a bird. So this one must be like in the air and maybe that's like an octopus tentacle. And this one has bubbles, so it can be either an in the sky scene or an under the sea scene. So cute. I just love it. All right, here we have some type of little Komodo dragon looking cutie pie here. And here's a different type of little alien figment of your imagination. And I like how Michaela changes all of the little funny looking creatures up. She makes them all different kinds of ways. And then you have a seal. So you're under the sea, or you cannot be under the sea. I can see myself just filling these pages with stickles and glitter and liquid pearls and glossy accents and gel pen. Oh my. Now look at this one. I absolutely love this one. Here's a cat and a dog. The dog is holding the moon. The cat is holding the star. And then this fox or puppy here has like wings on his elbow. But then there's candy everywhere. And then there's a fish down here in the bubble. And this fish is looking like, I'm not too sure about, maybe this isn't a cat. This looks more like a tiger or something. I don't know. But he's like, I don't know if I want to float close to him. And then here's some more little funny creatures. Look at his little bottom. He's so fat. And there's a light here with some, looks like some planets or stones. And it's just, oh my goodness, I cannot wait to get into coloring this. And look at these two fellas here. They are enjoying sliding down the rainbow, okay? The stars, the rainbow, the ships with a few little creatures on the ship saying, go this way. And this, I would think this would be like a type of sky picture, of course, because you have all of your clouds and stars, and you even have these beautiful, I'm getting so excited that I can't even pronounce words, these cute gemstones and type of stones that are here, crystals. Oh, can't you just see just the sparkleage that's going to be on these pages? Then we have Mr. Kitty that's in a hot air balloon, and he has his little navigator glasses on. Now you have to look very closely to these pictures. Here's a mouse that has like either a fishtail. Yeah, that's a fishtail. A mouse with a fishtail. So he's a fouse. Or a mish. Mouse and fish mixed together. And then he's hanging from the umbrella from one foot. Oh, he is very talented. And then his umbrella, look what happened to his umbrella. He better learn how to fly. Oh my goodness. This is too cute. These pages are too adorable. I love being creative. You know, this is right up my creative alley. So I'm showing you 19 of the different 30 images that are in this book. And if you don't go out here and get this little book, oh boy, you're missing out. You are going to be missing out. Now look at Hot Mama. Hot Mama is ready for the sun, ready for the beach. There's her husband out there. He's already got in the beach in the water. They're having a little picnic. And then you got one of the little sea, like octopus creatures, all in the picnic basket, like eating the food up. Shame, shame, shame. Now these are my colored pages. This one is the Nina Bright White. And now I'm into my colored paper pages that I printed it out on color paper. This is one of my favorite. I printed out my super favorite images on the colored tan paper. And so this is a puppy and butterfly mix. And there are gems in the picture and roses. So this is a butterfly and puppy mixed together. So we're going to call this a butter puppy fly. Or a fly butter puppy. Isn't this just the most adorable thing you have ever seen in your life, right? Oh, this is another one of my favorite. Here is a human serving the puppy dogs hamburgers, pie, cupcakes, french fries, cookies, cake. Oh boy, soda. Is this not just the cutest picture that you have ever seen? Is it not? Got some pancakes up here, some coffee cups. I absolutely adore this picture. And all the little aliens, they are looking like they're behaving in this picture. And they're, even those up there are sharing a snack, holding hands or something. And so they're doing what they're supposed to be doing. But of course you get to this one and they're misbehaving again. These are the naughtiest little Figment creatures of your imagination I've ever seen. She is doing what we do most, or he, painting. Isn't this just adorable? And look at this one down here. This one is like, oh no, this one under the hat is going to get all of us in trouble. And then this one here is trying to paint. Look at it. Let me bring you closer. He's trying to paint the same picture, and he's like, be still. He's telling this puppy, be still, stop moving so much so I can paint you too. Oh my goodness. And here's the last page. I think this might be one of my favorite pages, with the horse carousel that's actually underwater, because you see the fish going around behind it, all of the pearls and jewels and sea life that's behind the horse carousel. I'm in love. I am in love. And I was so excited when Michaela allowed me to work with her to get her coloring book out to the public before the release date. I'm definitely privileged and grateful to be able to work with such amazing artists that help us to continue doing what we love, this beautiful hobby. And this is not it. You don't just get a preview of this coloring book. Guess what? The artist Michaela has also launched an amazing giveaway for the 132 pack or set of Prismacolor pencils, along with her new book, Figment. It's free to enter. I will enter the giveaway information down in the description below. All the information will be in the description, so you can go there. Go on, sign up under the Kickstarter campaign so that you will be notified. And on April 20th, you can get your copy of this absolutely stunning book, Figment. So thank you so much for watching this new release flip through video, this sneak peek of Michaela's new book, Figment. And I hope you get your copy so that we can color along together on the channel and have some figmental fun. Thank you all for watching, and I appreciate you if you give me a big old thumbs up. If you enjoy adult coloring, if you enjoy content like this, please consider subscribing to the channel. And don't forget to ring that bell so you will be notified of each and every new episode from the Dollar Diva. All right, my guys and gals, you have a wonderful rest of the day. And as always, happy coloring. Bye.